Indians and other nationals showed their support to the Ukrainian people by leaving messages of peace, flowers, and lit candles outside the embassy of the Eastern European nation in New Delhi. The gesture was made in memory of people who lost their lives in the invasion since February 24th, and at the same time, it was a gathering of voices for peace. The posters pasted outside the embassy read, "Stop Russian aggression."
It's an unjustified and unprovoked aggression, and it's a clear violation of international law. It must be condemned. It's absolutely essential that the international community comes together at the UN, and it's important that those responsible in Russia for these actions are held accountable. That's why the European Union has passed two packages of sanctions, one a few days ago, another one yesterday. These sanctions include economic and political measures and steps. We are ready to take more if necessary and warranted by the situation.
So,
I'm a Ukrainian and I'm here for for our soldiers, and I'm glad that we have such a people and such an army. And I'm very sad that world till now. You know, I strongly believe that war will stop in Ukraine. Ukraine will stop aggression. Because if Ukraine will not stop, so people be sure that you are next. If you will not put hand with us, if you will not support us, it's our land. And did you hear any of you about Ukrainian terrorists? Till today, did you hear any of you about Ukrainian aggression towards any country? About racism from Ukrainian side? We are peace-loving country. We never ever did anything wrong to any nations, to anyone. And if till now any one of you pro-Putin, so please, don't say and don't ask me anything. Because whatever news is going on in Russian territory, whatever news is going on in India, and whatever is actual news, it's all different. Our people protecting our land. We are protecting our land, our kids, and our people. We then go to Russian territory. We then attack them. We then go to Belarus. We then attack the Belarus. Why? They are attacking our land. Why? They are coming on our land. And till now they say they coming to protect civilian people. It's all lie. If you will see all civilian people comes out and say, get out from my country, get out from my land.
A person of Indian origin outside the Ukrainian embassy was there to express solidarity with some of his colleagues whom he said were based out of Ukraine, where the company is headquartered. While he said that the colleagues were safe for now, he expressed his desire for an end to the conflict.
एक्चुअली सपोर्ट करने के लिए कि सब ठीक हो जाए, कि आप अकेले नहीं हैं बट सब ठीक हो जाए और क्रॉस द टेबल बात हो।
आपके कितने लोग हैं वहाँ पर अभी?
हमारे तो काफ़ी लोग हैं, हमारी तो कंपनी का ब्रांच ऑफिस है वहाँ यूक्रेन में। तो अभी सब ठीक हैं, सेफ हैं, सब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। बट यह है कि जल्दी से वॉर बंद हो, क्रॉस द टेबल डिस्कशन हो।
बात हो रही है उन लोगों से, क्या हालात बता रहे हैं?
ठीक है, अभी तो सब सेफ है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और बाकी जो आवाज़ें आ रही हैं वो तो हैं ही, जो न्यूज़ चैनल में दिखा रहे हैं।
तो आज यहाँ पे एम्बेसी के बाहर आपने कैंडल लाइट का हिस्सा लिया, तो इसके बारे में बताइए।
बस ऐसे ही आ गए, अभी और भी लोग आ रहे हैं हमारे साथ के, थोड़ी देर में आते ही होंगे, 15-20 मिनट में।
यानी अमन चाहते हैं?
हाँ, अमन की वजह से एक्चुअली क्या हुआ, जैसे मोदी जी को बोला भाई यहाँ से यूक्रेन, इंडिया से भी और वहाँ से भी कि भाई आप बात करो पीस के लिए, तो बस उसी मैटर पे
तो बात हुई।
नहीं, अब उन लोग की तो बात हुई है, पीएम मोदी की तो बात हुई है व्लादिमीर पुतिन से, अब उनका जो भी डिस्कशन हुआ हो।
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.